English shorthand 80 words per minute. Passage number 58. Get ready. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start. In these civil appeals, the assail by the states of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu is to the final order dated 5/2/2007 passed by the Kaveri Water Disputes Tribunal, for short the tribunal constituted under the Interstate River Water Disputes Act 1956, for short the 1956 Act. It is apt to note here that certain interlocutory applications, for short IAs, were filed by the state of Tamil Nadu for release of water, highlighting the scarcity of water faced by it and further laying stress on the predicament of the farmers. This court had passed certain interim directions on 27th of September 2016 while dealing with IAs NOs 15 and 16 of 2016. The court sought the assistance of the learned Attorney General for India to find out the view of the Union of India as to whether it would facilitate a discussion so that the impasse between the two states would appositely melt. The matter was adjourned to 30th of September 2016, and on that day Mr. Mukul Rohatgi, Learned Attorney General for India, apprised this court that the meeting had been held under the chairmanship of Union Minister of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, and the minutes of the said meeting were produced before the court. The minutes indicated that despite best efforts to make both the states to arrive at a consensus on release of Kaveri water, they took such divergent stands as a consequence of which nothing could be resolved. After noting various aspects, the court inquired from the Learned Attorney General with regard to constitution of the Kaveri Management Board, to which he responded that the board would be constituted on or before 4th of October 2016. Keeping in view the submissions, the court directed the states, namely Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala, and Union Territory of Pondicherry to nominate their respective representatives as per the final order passed by the tribunal. The earlier order to release 6,000 cusecs of water was reiterated. The matter was adjourned to 6th of October 2016 before the matter could be listed on the date fixed. The Learned Attorney General for India mentioned the matter on 3/10/2016 that Union of India had sought for some modification of the earlier order. the matter was taken up on 4th of October 2016. On that day, the court noted that the order passed by it relating to release of water had been complied with. Thereafter, it adverted to the IA 18 of 2016, which had been filed on behalf of the Union of India seeking modification of the orders dated 20th of September 2016 and 30th of September 2016. After reproducing the prayer, the court dwelled upon the submissions of Mr. Rohatgi, Learned Attorney General for India, Mr. Nariman, and Mr. Shekhar, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu respectively, and thereafter passed the following order. It is the submission of Mr. Rohatgi that as it is a debatable issue, the court may not advert to the issue of review or recall, but defer it to be considered at the time of the final disposal of the appeal. As advised at present, we think it appropriate to defer the same. At this stage, we are obliged to state that in course of hearing, we asked Mr. Nariman, Learned Senior Counsel, that the note he has filed, which we have reproduced here in above, covers the time till 6/10/2016, and the appeals can be heard as directed earlier on 18/10/2016, and therefore what should be the arrangement for the said period? Mr. Nariman submitted that he has no instructions in the matter and he does not intend to make any statement in that regard. Thereafter, we inquired who would be in a position to obtain instructions from the state of Karnataka, and Mr. Mohan and Mr. Raghupati, appearing for the state, sought some time to obtain instructions. As suggested by us, the matter was adjourned by half an hour, and we took up the matter at 3:20 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., Mr. M.R. Nayak, Learned Advocate General for the State of Karnataka, has filed a note in response to the Honorable Court's query, and in view of the Honorable Court suggesting that the pending IAs and objections to the Supervisory Committee's recommendations cannot be heard before 18th October 2016, and taking into account the drinking water requirement in the state, it will not be possible to release water at the interstate border of a quantity not more than 1,500 cusecs per day on an average limited for a period of 10 days from 7th October to 16th October 2016. Stop.